Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are gonna learn about destroy window and destroy all windows. We have already learned how to create window with imshow, and we already learned name window and move window. Today we are gonna destroy window. This helps us to destroy the windows which we specified with the name of that window, and also destroy all windows. Destroy all of the windows which is shown in your screen, or it can be in the backside. All of the GUI elements will be destroyed by this function. Directly we can pass to the code part, and here we have already one image, and we are able to show this image with imshow in a window, and we can create more windows. For example, when it's running, let's see, this is the one window we see in the screen, and let's create a couple of these and name those windows window 2 and window 3, and destroy these windows. First of all, let's just show all of these windows by one by, and all of these windows will show the same image. And after that we can destroy after pressing a key. Then I want to destroy the third window, let's say. Then we are gonna call destroy window, and we are gonna specify the name, which is window 3. And after that, wait key will continue because I wanna continue to see my images on the screen. And let's see again. Yeah, now we are in here, and it waits me to press any key. When I press, you see third window is destroyed by this function. So also after that, maybe we can destroy one more window, which is the first one. Let's destroy, and like this, and calling the function, calling this is the second, third, and the first one. We are here now. When I press a key, it will destroy the window 3, and when I press one more key, it will destroy this one, and after one more key, it will stop the execution of the code. And let's see about destroy all of the windows, and here we can basically call destroy all windows, and after pressing any key, it will destroy all of the windows in the screen. When I pressed a key, so you see all of the windows on the screen is destroyed. So these destroy all windows and destroy windows basically help us to remove the specified window from the screen. Also, this is very helpful in some cases because you want to destroy maybe all of the windows in your screen, because this can cause sometimes problems. And for this video, simply we have learned these two functions, and see you in the next videos.